in that your monthly loan repayments are taking a massive jump today. The Reserve Bank has hiked interest rates by surprising 75 basis points or 0.75%. eNCA Business Editor Devan Murugan has more.
If you bought one of these during the hard lockdown, your monthly loan repayment would have been much lower. Thanks to consecutive interest rate hikes since November last year, much more will come out of your pocket for that home loan too. In fact, monthly repayments on a R1 million home in early November on prime was just more than R7,700. After the latest rate hike, it's on the cusp of R9,000 per month. Now, here's the challenge. The Reserve Bank adjusts interest rates to tame price rises. And it's not just the fuel price that is surging. The price of food appears to be costlier. There seems to be no end in sight in the price rises for electricity. And even mobile costs are more than they were some time back. Rising wage demands aren't helping either. So further hikes are in the offing.
You can rest assured that the South African Reserve Bank is determined to act on the rise in inflation that we have seen, and we are cognizant of the risks going forward, and we are prepared to act on those risks. We also hear the cries of South Africans about the rising prices. We hear the cries of South Africans that inflation is eroding their income, their salaries, and their wages.
Do remember that the reason that the South African Reserve Bank is in place is to protect price stability in the economy and to maintain purchasing power for consumers. Without interest rate increases, we could see inflation running away to even higher levels. And as we know in the South African context, high inflation always hits your lower income households more disproportionately.
Interest rates are still well below they were before the COVID-19 pandemic. The difference is many consumers battling other higher costs have much less disposable income than before COVID. There is a silver lining, though, for those with savings, as they will get much higher returns on interest. Devan Murugan, Johannesburg.